Step into the vibrant streets of your new life at Nimi Halls, a highly sought-after student accommodation in Leicester. Conveniently nestled close to the city center, Nimi Halls presents a selection of spacious, newly refurbished non-ensuite and ensuite apartments. Each room is meticulously furnished with a double bed and mattress, fitted wardrobes, a study desk with shelving, and ample storage space. The fully equipped communal kitchen and clean bathrooms add to the convenience, ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable stay. Speaking of amenities, bid farewell to weekend chores with free laundry facilities and treat yourself to some well-deserved downtime with free high-speed Wi-Fi. With easy access to Leicester College and the University of Leicester, managing your classes becomes effortless. On weekends, immerse yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Leicester, with British pubs and Mitsuki, just a leisurely stroll away from the property. Concerned about travel expenses? Fear not, as the nearest train station, Leicester train station, including Prebon Street, is within walking distance from the property. Embrace the joy of living at Nimi Halls Leicester. Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your accommodation today.